No matter what career field you're in or how high up you are, there's always more to learn. Research unlocks the unknowns, lets you explore the world from different perspectives, and fuels a deeper understanding. Reports state that 90% of ideas fail because of lack of research and proper background study. Nowadays, for most researchers in academia, reading through different papers has become a hassle. However, it's hard for us to get insight on the same because they are very long and time consuming to find. This inspired us to create Insidely, a smart web app where one can effectively analyze research papers and understand key points, packed with multiple other AI features which we will follow through the video. Insidely is crafted with love. We went with a minimal approach by building the front end with HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. After OAuthing with Firebase, we land on the homepage where we can leverage a bunch of useful tools according to our needs. We can upload our own PDF document or can search through papers available on archive or via custom URL. Once we do that, we have the option to generate total or partial summary of the selected, which is powered by our own custom trained super fast machine learning model. Moreover, we can also analyze the sentiment of the same if we require. Furthermore, using BigBird, we are also able to resolve any sort of questions taken as an input prompt to return accurate answers. The backing is running on splitted pipelines of PyTorch with ONNX. And last but not least, all this data shall be stored in the user dashboard, utilizing which the machine can automatically recommend more similar papers via cosine similarity. That's enough talk for now. Let's jump into the demo.
Welcome to Insightly. Let's jump right into the project demo. To begin with, we'll sign in as a user. Now, I'm directed to the upload page. Here, the user has the option to either upload any textual document from your personal computer by clicking the Choose File button, or the user could instead search for a topic and get relevant papers suggested from the ARXIV dataset. Personally, I would like to learn more about the best textual analysis techniques for machine learning, and so I enter it in the search box. I find the second recommendation fascinating, so all I'll have to do now as a user is click on the desired paper, and voila, I'm directed to the result page. Now, this is where all the magic happens. Firstly, on the left, our software beautifully displays the extracted textual content from the research paper, and then uses Google Natural Language API to highlight important keywords. Clicking on these words like corpus and lemmatization allows us to get the definition, facilitating a much deeper understanding of the text. Secondly, we provide our users the ability to get a TLDR summarization of the entire paper by merely clicking the full paper button in the summarizer component. However, if a user wishes to only summarize a specific segment of the paper, the user could simply copy the desired text from the left and paste it in the summarizer text box, which is then dynamically summarized right in the text box. Our software also employs machine learning to allow users to pose specific questions relevant to the context of the paper and receives highly accurate and concise responses. To test this, I enter the following questions. Why should I use LAM? And how good is LAM and STEM in contrast to standard embeddings? And as you can see, we receive meaningful and concise responses to answer them, saving countless research hours for our users. Finally, we also recommend similar research paper using RoBERTa large model, which greatly helps in reducing the time invested in searching relevant resources. All of the requested summaries, definitions, and questions are stored for the user on Firebase and is instantly visible when the paper is revisited by the user.
We are a team of three driven by innovation. What we create during our hackathon is the tip of the iceberg. We believe this project can help simplify hassle in every research enthusiast's life. Feel free to check out our GitHub repo. Thanks for watching.